Imagine a smartphone that looks like an iPhone, performs like a flagship, but costs just $500. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, Nokia is here to prove you wrong with their latest release, the Nokia Zero Ultra 5G. Let's dive into why this phone might just be the ultimate budget flagship killer. Let's start. Features of Nokia Zero Ultra 5G. Display. First up, the display. This thing is a beauty. We're talking about a 6.95-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen, with 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through Instagram, this display is going to blow your mind. And guess what? It's IP68 rated, so you can take it to the beach, the pool, or even the shower, no worries. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where things get really exciting. The Nokia Zero Ultra 5G comes with a quad camera setup, headlined by a 200-megapixel main camera. But that's not all. You also get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 32-megapixel macro camera, and a 12-megapixel wide camera. And for all the selfie lovers out there, the front camera is rumored to be a 50-megapixel shooter. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is a beast. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which means you can expect top-tier performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just binge-watching your favorite shows. And it runs on the latest Android 15, so you're getting the smoothest, most up-to-date experience possible. Battery backup. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Zero Ultra 5G packs a massive 7000 mAh battery, that's going to keep you going all day and then some. And when it's time to recharge, you've got 90-watt super fast charging, to get you back to 100% in no time. No more waiting around for your phone to charge. Price and launch date. The Nokia Zero Ultra 5G is expected to be priced around $500, which is an absolute steal for the features you're getting. As for the launch date, mark your calendars because this bad boy is expected to hit the market early next year.